in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is a picture for you. Do you like it, Uncle Jeff? See? Right there where that flower is, that's the steering wheel. You're the one that's going E, and the one that's going is Aunt Judy. Sorry, Aunt Judy. Not really sad, but it's Uncle Jeff, so you have to be sad. Because you're in the back and he's in the front. Don't care. Let's go dancing! Good job. I'm playing a video game. Wanna play? Rap-a-tap-tap, 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 boom! Bam! Bam! Okay. Got it. Let's go. Woo. Oh, that's so funny. Oh, want to hear the joke? I'll show you. Boom. I'll tell you the joke. The joke was, would you call Mom the cooks? Giving you a few hours to do it. You only get 5 guesses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There. But the real joke, if you got a laugh, it's Mamma Mia! Let's go dancing! Woo! 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 Wow. That's all for today.